Hello, dear friend. How have been? Hopefully, everything is going well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty. Today, I am came to my younger brother Sudipta's home because they invited us for having lunch, and we take our lunch in Sudipta's home. And sometimes I actually came here. This is my favorite actually place, and I will gossiping and make some quality time spending with Sudipto. And actually, we spending our time. It's like friendly. That's why I like these times very much. And as usual, I came also here today for having lunch, and there was also some item what was actually so much delicious. There have the food item was like Bengali people are calling this is pulao, and two types of fish and chicken curry, yogurt, some sweets. This type of food actually. Now after completed our food, we take also for dessert actually. Literally everyone knowing that in Bengali people always after uh, completing their meals, always they likes to drink coke. So there was also as usual coke also, and after finishing everything, we talking each other and gossiping. They are in spending our time with gossiping, and that time is it really was very qualitable, and I can't forget it's in my lifetime. So my dear friend, I actually came in front of you to talking this type of things, and as usual I am telling you for speaking English, for learning English, you can make this type of videos what actually you are doing in your daily life, what is the activities of your daily life, so you can describe it and try to be always talking in English and try to speaking with your daily life activities. It will be very easyful for you and you can learn it very easily. That's why I am telling and suggesting everyone for practice and practice. Without practice you can doing this easily, it will be more difficult for you. So this is the significant thing, my dear friend. For learning or for speaking English, you have to practice. And as I always saying, my dear audience and my dear learner of English, this is the great way of speaking English. You have to pick up some words what actually related to you in every days, or this is the relative about your daily life activities. You have to pick up this word and try to convert in your sentence. Like actually they are invited us for having lunch, so this is the word of invite. I have to convert it. It's in our sentence. They are inviting us for having lunch. For then we are coming to their apartment and we completed our lunch, my dear friends. So you have to pick up this type of words which is related to your daily life activities, and then try to try to convert or try to make a sentence about this type of word. Not only one word. You should practice 4 to 5 words by one word. When you will regularly using this type of word in your sentence, it will be more easy way to speaking English. And you have to practice not only for daily. You have to practice it daily, yes, but not only for a 1 days or for single hour. You have to practice it day by day, day after day. You have to practice with this word. It will be then it will be set up in your brain and your conscious mind. It will, he will be push up you for making this type of sentence about this word, because practice by practice it will be set up in your brain, and when you are going anywhere and you will getting this word, you can actually make very easily sentence. So you have to learn about the word, and this type of vocabulary you have to pick up and regularly try to 10 to 15 word or vocabulary to making the sentence. Don't doing this, forget this one. It will be more easy and more beneficial for you. After that you can, my dear friend, if you are thinking about learning English, you can, if you are doing any type of activities, if you can't making any sentence, you are not actually able to speaking about this, you can do another things. You should go to the Google or write about this type of word. There will be more type of sentence and more type of essay also. Then you should read it and try to read actually more and more. When you will read it more and more, it will be also the sentence will be set up in your mind, so you don't forget this one. And after when you will getting again this type of sentence or this type of vocabulary, it can help you for making videos, essay, or any type of thinking. If you are thinking any type of things, you can describe it very easily. So don't forget to do this, my dear friend. And after that, you can do another things. You are doing any type of activities, if you can't making sentence or describe it, you should go to the YouTube also and write about this word and say there for giving some description about this. Then you can watch these videos, how can they are talking about this type of sentence and this type of words, how can they are describing about this. You should mimicry with them. Then actually will be a significant thinking with you. Your mumbling will be removing from yourself. So it's a very great thing for everyone. So my dear friend, not for today, I will come with another video in another day. Until then, be safe and be happy. Thank you, my dear friend. Goodbye.